Question number 16. A total of rupees 80,000 is to be distributed among 200 persons as prizes. A prize is either of rupee 500 or rupee 800. Find the number of each prize. Let the number of prizes of rupees 500 be X. Then according to question, the number of prizes of rupees 100. There are 200 persons. So there are total number of prizes 200. If X is subtracted from them, there will be left 200 minus X. So the number of prizes of rupees 100 is 200 minus X. Again according to question. Total amount is 80,000. Total value of the prizes equal rupees 80,000, and this is of two types. Rupees 500, it will be multiplied by X, plus rupees 100, and it will be multiplied by 200 minus X. Total 80,000. Now you can write it 500x plus multiply here by using distributive property. It will be 240 minus 100x equal 80,000. 500x minus 100x, it is 400x equal, it is 80,000, and in the left hand side it is 20,000, so there will be 20,000, and after subtraction it is 400x is equal to 60,000. Here x equal 60,000 by 400. After dividing you will get 150. X equal 100. Number of prizes of rupees 500 equal X equal, this is 150, X equal 150. Number of prizes of rupees 100 equal, it is 200 minus X. Number of prizes of rupees 100 equals 200 minus X. 200 minus 150, and it is equal to 50. Next question. When 1 by 3 is subtracted from a number and the difference is multiplied by 4, the result is 28. Find the number. First of all, write X in place of number. That means you have to find X. X equal what? When 1 by 3 is subtracted from a number, write here X. 1 by 3 is subtracted from X. That means X minus 1 by 3. This is the difference. The difference after subtraction, whatever you got, that is difference. Difference is X minus 1 by 3. Now difference is multiplied by 4. So multiply it by 4. The result is 28, means equal 28. Right here, let the number be X. Then according to question, X minus 1 by 3 into 4 equal 28. Now you can solve it. X minus 1 by 3 equal, here 4 is multiplier, So will be divisor. X minus 1 by 3, 4 7 ja. X is equal to 7 by 1 and minus. So x is equal to 21 plus 1 and finally x equal 22 by 3. The required number is 22 by 3 right here. The required number is 22 by 3. Question number 18. Sudesh is twice as old as Seema. Sudesh equals twice 2 into x. 2 into Seema. Sudesh equal 2 into Seema's age. So you have to suppose the age of Seema be x. Right here, let the age of Seema be x. Then Sudesh is 2x year old. Then according to question, the age of Sudesh equal 2x. Now again, 6 years is subtracted from Seema's age. Seema's age is x. Again according to question, x minus 6. And 4 years are added to Sudesh's age. Sudesh is of 2x years. Now add 4. Sudesh will be 4 times. 4 times 4 into Seema's age. Seema's age is now x minus 6. And Sudesh is of 2x. So you are multiplying here it by 4. 4 times Seema's age. 4 times Seema's age. It will be 4x minus 24 equal 2x plus 4. 4x minus 2x 4 and this is plus 24 here. 2x equal 28. X equal 28 divided by 2 and finally x equal 14. Then 2x equal 14 into 2, 28. Present age of Seema equal 14 years. Present age of Sudesh 28 years. 3 years ago, age of Seema 14 minus 3, 11 years. Age of Sudesh 28 minus 3, 25 years. Question number 19. Age of Leena and Hina are in the ratio of 7:5. 10 years hence, after 10 years, the ratio of their ages will be 9:7. Find their present ages. Given that ratio of ages of Leena and Hina equals 7:5. You can write it as fraction. Age of Leena by age of Hina equal 7/5. And you know that ratio is written in the simplest form, smallest form. So we don't know exact age of Lina and exact age of Hina. We can multiply here by x. Then it will be 7x by 5x. That means we can take age of Lina 7x and age of Hina 5x. The ratio of their ages will be, but after 10 years. Here we can write age of Lina equals 7x and age of Hina equal 5x. Age of Lina equals 7 years and age of Hina equal 5x. After 10 years, age of Lina will be 7x plus 10 and age of Hina will be 5x plus 10. Now according to question, ratio of age of Lina and age of Hina equal 9:7. That means 7x plus 10 is to 5x plus 10 equal 9:7. Change it into fraction. Now cross 7x plus 10 into 7, 9 into 5x plus 10. After cross multiplication, it will be 7 7 ja 49 x plus 7 10 ja 70, 9 5 ja 45x plus 9 10 ja 90. Now 49x, bring it left side, take it to the right side. 4x equal 20 and here x equal 20 by 4 and x equal to 5. 4 5s are 20. Present age of Lina equal, it was 7x, 7 into x is 5, so 35 years, and present age of Hina equal 5x, 5 into 5, 25 years. Thus you got. Now question number 20. Vikas is 3 years older than Deepika. So we have to let the age of Deepika be x. Right here. Let the age of Deepika be x. Then according to question, the age of Vikas is 3 years older than Deepika. The age of Vikas equal 3 years older. That means you have to plus 3 years in the age of Deepika. Again, 6 years ago. Right here 6 years ago. That means before 6 years. Age of Deepika. Deepika is presently of x years. So before 6 years means you have to subtract 6 from x, and age of Vikas. Presently he is x plus 3 years old. Now before 3 years means you have to subtract 6. Solve it. It will be x minus 3. 6 minus 3, the sign of bigger number is minus. And according to question, Vikas age was 4 times Deepika's age. Vikas, this is Vikas, x minus 3, 4 times means 4 into age of Deepika. This is x minus 6. Vikas was 4 times Deepika's age. Vikas was 4 times Deepika's age. X minus 3 multiply using distributive property 4x minus 24, x minus 4x equal minus 24 plus 3. Take this 4x to the left side and minus 3 to the right side. It will be minus 3x equal minus 21 and x equal minus 21 by minus 3. Here x is equal to 7. Minus minus cancelled and 3 7 are 21. X is equal to 7. So present age of Deepika. So present age of Deepika equal x and x is equal to 7. 7 years. And present age of Vikas. X plus 3. X is 7. So 7 plus 3 equal 10 years. This is your final answer.